And yes, it's Thursday, a terrific Thursday, throwback Thursday, orange Thursday, whatever you name it, it is a brand new day, and we should be thankful that we are alive. I mean, for the whole week, I've just been focusing on enjoying the blessings of today. Today, I was able to wake up, I got clothes on my back, I got food to eat, and I got somewhere to lay my head. That means we are blessed. So let's take time to focus on the small things that we have. Of course, if you're watching, you are now tuned into MX Breaks with the girl Ms. Drew, the hostess with the mostest, and here is where I bring to you the best in lifestyle and entertainment news. So today we're talking about Akuapem Poloo, who's been convicted. Minnesota continues to struggle with protesters versus police. Let's jump right into it. Now, actress and socialite Akuapem Poloo took the internet by storm when she posted a picture of her crouching naked in front of her son with a message celebrating his birthday. Unfortunately for her, the picture went viral and Child Protection NGO called the police on her. Now, Akuapem Poloo was sent to court and pled guilty to the 3 charges brought against her, including child exposure to indecency. Now, the internet has been split over the conviction, with several agreeing that what she did was heinous, while others still rallied behind her, providing support that she truly did nothing wrong. Now, her sentencing was postponed till after results of a pregnancy test. In a world where everybody has an opinion, we wanted to make sure that we got your thoughts. So we actually put up a poll on our social media asking you guys whether you thought she should be given jail time or not. Well, it's been less than 24 hours, but already 64% of you believe that her sentence shouldn't include jail time. So what would be a more suitable sanction? She already pled guilty, so why don't you just leave us with your thoughts and your comments in our comment section below, and we would love to continue the conversation on Instagram. Now it's Mr. Drew, yeah. I know everyone, literally, there's rumors going around that me and Mr. Drew are dating. Please, can we just end that? He's cute though. But anyway, the musician has dropped a brand new single titled Mood. Now, Mr. Drew has an occasional struggle with fans about his music career, with some feeling as though he's not authentic about his music and how he gets it. Despite conflicts regarding his songs, Mr. Drew has released a brand new track, and of course, we got it right here. Actually, let's even just take a look at it. On to some other news. The Greek islands are known to be a European vacation hotspot for people all around the world, but mainly for those in the UK. However, thanks to COVID, all that traveling had to stop. But now the Greeks are stepping it up a notch. Their government has plans to vaccinate every Greek along the 60 islands before the end of April to allow vaccinated and COVID-negative travelers to vacation on their beaches. The end of April is very soon, guys. Now, that seems like almost impossible, but the country is set on making it a reality with a plan that involves sending helicopters with vaccines to the islands that don't have airports. Now, I think this is a great initiative. I just hope that they can actually achieve it. Time is flying. 2021 is slipping through our fingers. In 2 weeks, April's going to be done, and then it'll be my birth month. So let's see if Greece is going to be able to achieve that. Everybody needs to be vaccinated. Soon, I'm sure the whole world is going to be vaccinated. Now, moving on, we've got Dante Wright, who is a young 20-year-old who was shot during a traffic stop by a cop in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Now, Wright and his girlfriend were stopped by the police for initially driving with a car with expired registration. However, a struggle ensued when the cops found out that he had an outstanding warrant. Now, a struggle broke out and the police shot him with a bullet through the chest. Dante died shortly after. The policewoman, Kim Porter, reported that she initially planned to use a taser rather than her gun and termed the whole situation as a fatal accident. Now, since the incident, she's been fired, which is good, and she's been charged with second-degree manslaughter, which is also good, in my opinion. However, the incident occurred not far from where Derek Chauvin is being legally tried for the death of George Floyd. Now, the town was already experiencing high tensions, and this has just added to the situation. The town people marched in protest, and the Floyd family made a statement that they stand with the Wright family as the killing of their loved one was unnecessary, just as George Floyd's death. And seriously, America is just, it's getting really crazy out here. We need everyone to really be safe over there. What is happening, all we can do is just pray and protect our loved ones, because I don't know what is happening with the world, but I'm hoping that everybody gets what they deserve in terms of the police brutality and, of course, the people that are walking on the streets, because we should be able to feel safe once we leave our houses, right? Anyway, guys, that is all we've got for you today. My name is Miss Drew. Follow me on Instagram, MZDRU_. And I'll see you same time, same place next week. Stay safe.